Hey guys, it's 2:19 and 44 seconds on October 25th. This is the main drawing for the Moon Knights. Over here are the 13 filled spots. The final 8 spots were filled by the mini. Will Lehman got the first 5, Kevin got the next 2, and Kyle got the final available spot. So let's roll the 3 dice. The number is 10. I'm going to randomize 10 times. Name at the top of the list. We'll get the 9.8. Second place gets the Moon Knight 55 slab and the raw copy. So best of luck. These will ship out tomorrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here's the final one. 10. Will Lehman gets the 9.8. Barney Stars gets the 9.0 55 and the raw 55. Congratulations. Time is 2:40 and 40.